What's up, nerds? Phoenix from Phoenix TV here with an Achieve Guide for Super Time Force. This one is 3 birds, 1 stone. It's a pretty easy one. All you have to do is get 3 kills with 1 shot from Amy's sniper rifle. The easiest way to get this achievement is to go to the 2nd level, and right here, whenever you go down into the subway train, you switch to her regardless of whether or not your character dies. Run down here, charge up your shot. There's going to be at least 3 or 4 things down there. Shoot through them, and the achievement will pop. Nice and simple. 1A Gamers. This has been Phoenix from Phoenix TV. Thank you for watching.